So just taking a quick look at Vechain then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, Vechain here looking like it's in a bit of a weird spot, to be honest. Oh, by the way, do like and subscribe, really helps the channel out. You can see, like a lot of altcoins, I think we're reaching an apex here where we're going to see a big move in either direction for a lot of these altcoins. You can see they've been extremely boring recently. Ever since we had the Trump pump followed by the tariff dump, we've come down back into this previous bear market range, as you can see, putting in a range here between the support of this previous major swing low and this swing high, which is the bear market range high for Vechain specifically. And you can see basically what's been happening is we've just been having this pretty obvious range being put in, and then recently an even more tightly coiled range within that range. We're basically waiting for, I think, a pretty decent amount of volume in either direction in the markets. Right now Ethereum is basically coiling up to go to new all-time highs here. In my opinion, I think Ethereum is probably going to be heading up towards 10k towards the end of the year, doing something like this, up towards some of these Fibonacci extension targets for Ethereum, which are still on the cards. And as a result, I think a lot of these altcoins that have been underperforming recently, you can see really we were having this reasonably good bull market where we had this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside that we were looking for, but you can see with the tariff dump that we saw, a lot of altcoins across the market. It's not just Vechain. If you look across the market here, you can see a lot of altcoins recently putting in a range and trying to figure out where we're going next. And you can see Vechain here, no exception to that at all. The altcoin basket in general, very highly correlated to Ethereum, obviously looking like it's going to go to all-time highs pretty soon. But you can see here Vechain basically just stuck in this range, and we are waiting to see if we're going to get some momentum in either direction. I think there's conflicting draws in the market right now. Bitcoin's retracing, which is holding us back. It's holding Ethereum back, but I think Ethereum wants to pump. And I think if Ethereum pumps to new all-time highs, we'll probably see some good movement for altcoins. I'd say at least to the high of this range for Vechain, breaking out of this level of low resistance liquidity here of this trend line that we've formed as well. I think there's a bunch of liquidity up here that will go and take up towards that 4 cent area over the next few months, provided that Bitcoin doesn't dump the market. Please do like and subscribe and leave a comment, and get some free money from the description down below.